Grand Rising Soul Tribe. I mean, my car says it's 26, but outside is hella warmer. As you can see, I got a lighter coat on, no scarf, no headgear. Make it make sense, but I'll take it. Birds chirping, sun out. Anyway, let's get into this one, being I am one. Only children develop differently because they grow up without an internal social system. No siblings means no built-in hierarchy, no competition at home, no emotional buffer, and no shared responsibility. So the nervous system adapts. Instead of learning through peer interaction, they learn through observation. Watch and learn. And they watch adults, they study moods, they track power, they notice patterns early. That creates accelerated awareness. Only children don't outsource regulation, they become self-regulating. They don't copy identity. They construct it internally. That's why many only children think independently, question narratives, resist herd behavior, and operate autonomously. They're used to being the sole processor. No sibling equals no delegation. So I'll handle it becomes fucking default. That's one of my fucking biggest downfalls. I'll fucking do it myself. That's the solo mission wiring. Strength, high self-direction, high discernment, high sovereignty. Shadow, over responsibility, control reflux, difficulty trusting support, and reluctance to rely on anyone because they've always had to rely on themselves and got let down many times. Only children learn if something needs to be handled, it's on me. So they become internal leaders, not because of ego, but because of the fucking structure they were raised in. Bottom line, only child wiring produces independent thinkers, system observers, and self-contained operators. Different upbringing, different nervous system, different trajectory. That was something that popped in 222 as I looked down. Source saying, keep a talking. You know, I ain't shutting the fuck up. Throat chakra activated. Even though at 420 on a bus, sign for me. Even though I just got done doing candle work because of all, the ritual work that got done on me over the weekend. That was fun times. The blue candle, a lot of black soot on the top of it. I might do it, but I'm going to wait. And I'll do it right before Fire Horse. You ain't blocking shit is what I gotta say. 252 on that timer. But yeah, this dropped into my awareness being someone left a comment on one of my posts. The firstborn daughter. So it led me to be like, I'm an only child. So I started asking questions like, what the fuck does this mean for me? I had no siblings. I do have a half brother, which I have two half brothers. One I knew about, one I didn't know about. And the one I didn't know about, I found out about in 2023, my father. My father guided him to find me. It's crazy. It's a crazy story. I got a lot of crazy stories. Maybe I should start a podcast. Who the fuck knows what I'm gonna fucking do? Since I do a bunch of everything. Whatever source guides me to do, I'm there. So I guess the fucking podcast dropped into my awareness for a reason. But one step at a fucking time. One step at a time. If you made it this far, you know the drill. Touch all the fucking buttons. Show your girl some love. And come back to see what I'm dropping next.